Struts are structural components of certain vehicle steering and suspension systems. They are mounted at the top of the chassis at the front end of most front-wheel drive vehicles. If struts go wrong, your vehicle may be constantly moving up and down when driving. Tires may be worn unusually, and they can also cause fluid leaking. Stop driving if you find these symptoms in your car, and repair your vehicle immediately. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.